All right, hi everyone, and welcome to Saleema's Healing Kitchen. I am Saleema. Today we're going to make what's called a cacao. Okay, that's a tongue twister. It's really cacao powder, and I'm making a smoothie with cacao powder. So what I'm going to do is mix the almond milks, the frozen berries, the coconut, banana, cacao powder. What else do I have here? This is the maple syrup and vanilla flavoring. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to begin with the almond milk, which is very healthy. Almond milk is high in protein, so we're going to have our energy, and I'm going to add the berries next. So that's the good food for our brains. And then I'm going to add I cut up about a banana and a half. Let me tell you, I am not one for measuring. I just throw things together and then try it little at a time. I'm going to add some coconut, shredded coconut, and now the cacao powder. And I read the difference between the cacao powder and cocoa powder is they actually heat the cocoa powder. So this is raw, and that's basically the only difference. And so I just wanted to let you know that. This is about, I'd say a tablespoon of maple syrup, maybe a little more. And I'm going to measure the vanilla flavoring and put about this is a half a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. And like I said, I don't measure. I remember being about 8 years old and sitting in the kitchen with my grandmom, and I'm just like her, and Grandmom Lucille would just be putting things together, and came out so beautiful and so delicious. I want to tell you that I'm not going to be talking for a while because I'm mixing this drink up, and I don't want to, you can't hear me anymore. Let that mix for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see. I know that was not 2 to 3 minutes, but I wanted to see how it's coming out here. Okay. It's a little watery. What you could do is add a banana or some more of the powder. Let's see how it comes out. So I have okay, let's see. So I have the cacao powder, the fresh coconut, the berries, banana. Looks pretty good. See how it tastes. Now what I usually do is I taste it and then decide if I want to add something else to it. So let's see if this. That's good. Maybe a little more maple syrup. Check it out. Try it. Let me know how you like it. And also check out my website, Saleema-Curtis.com. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. See you soon.